Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of efficient and accessible AI with SmolLM2, a game-changing family of language models from Hugging Face. You don't need a supercomputer to run this powerful AI. We'll show you how to use it for free right in your browser with Google Colab. What is SmolLM2? SmolLM2 is all about bringing powerful AI to everyone. It's designed to run smoothly on devices with limited resources, like your laptop, phone, or even a Raspberry Pi. Here's the breakdown. 3 sizes. Choose from 135 million, 360 million, or 1.7 billion parameter models to fit your needs and hardware. Outperforms the big guys. The 1.7B version actually beats Meta's Llama 1B model on important tests. Efficient and open. SmolLM2 is optimized for performance and released under the Apache 2.0 license, so you can use it freely. Trained on massive data, the largest model was trained on a massive 11 trillion tokens, including web pages, code, and educational materials. Why is this a big deal? Large language models are amazing, but they can be expensive and require powerful hardware. SmolLM2 changes the game by making powerful AI accessible to everyone, not just big tech companies. This means more innovation and opportunities for individuals, small businesses, and developers everywhere. Why Google Colab? Google Colab gives you free access to powerful GPUs in the cloud. No need to install anything. Just open a browser and start experimenting with SmolLM2. Let's get started. Open Colab. Go to colab.research.google.com and create a new notebook. Enable GPU. Go to Runtime, change runtime type, and select GPU. Install libraries. We need the transformers and accelerate libraries. Load the model. Choose your SmolLM2 model from Hugging Face. We'll use Hugging Face TB/SmolLM2-135M-instruct. Generate text. Let's ask it a question. What can you do with SmolLM2? Text. Rewriting. Improve your writing or change the style of any text. Summarization. Get concise summaries of long articles or documents. Function calling. Use SmolLM2 to control other software or perform actions. And more. The possibilities are endless. Build chatbots, create content, translate languages, and explore the power of AI. SmolLM2 is a huge step towards making AI more accessible and efficient. Try it out in Google Colab, experiment with different prompts, and see what amazing things you can create. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. See you in the next one.